You are a true artist. Thank you. Got it on slow speed for you. Amateur hour over here. So day 2 of forging our own knife. I'm not actually doing any of the work, I'm just watching. But it's been fascinating to watch all the different stages. Right now it sits at, I think it's at 300 grit stage where the knife is just, being smoothed out right now. And today I believe we're gonna work on the handle, and the fine touches, the finishing touches. What's fascinating is that it's got 152 layers, but at this stage, it just looks like one solid piece of metal. It's not until we do the etching process, which I think is actually coming up here pretty soon, that you start to see the different layers revealed. It's just gonna be beautiful. I'm really looking forward to it. It's a hot one, but it shouldn't be quite as hot as it was yesterday because all those forgers aren't gonna be running, so let's go check it out. There you go, early morning stretches. Get that, yep. Okay, so it's shiny like a mirror right now. And the next stage is the stage I've been looking forward to. That is what I was just talking about with the etching process. That's what's gonna reveal the 2 different types of steel and all those 152 different layers. So how long do we leave it in there?
Oh, about 15 minutes at a time.
And you said that's like an acid?
Yeah, ferric chloride. And we'll do that about 3 times.
3 times?
For 3 times.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's just eating away the dark steel faster than it eats away the shiny steel. It makes it cool stuff.
Oh yeah, that's the magic. So it's a waiting game. All of this metalwork has me thinking maybe we could do a little restoration on this hammer. Let's see. There it goes.
Not just one person who does that.
Get some shine back.
You have a shiny hammer, honey.
Oh yeah.
Wow, babe.
Got it on slow speed for me. Amateur hour over here. Look at that.
Wow, babe. That looks so good.
So the knife is in the etching process over there, hon. You should see it. So it's on stage 1 right now. We're gonna pull it out after 15 minutes. You should see the grain.
Oh my gosh.
It's
so
unbelievable.
excited.
Oh man.
Like better than new, love.
Oh yeah.
Wow. All done.
Right tools.
That's right.
Okay, so this is absolutely incredible. Look at the color. That's 152 layers. So this is after a couple stages in the acid and a couple stages actually in coffee, if you would believe it.
I mean, who knew?
Who
There
knew?
were So many.
Oh yeah.
So many uses.
So next stage is
Try Nescafe today.
Great ad. Great ad.
What'd you say? We're gonna go with 3,000 grit next?
Yeah, yeah.
And then that's gonna knock down the silver parts to make them more silver. The black is still gonna stay black. And then you're gonna really be able to see the grain. Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at what's
Look at that
behind
hatchet
it.
there.
Check that out.
I'm sorry. Look at my
His
hammer.
So many people got so confused as to why the hatchet was out when you changed the leaf spring.
Did you murder somebody in the process?
Why is such a sharp edge on your hammer?
Oh, already. First swipe. This is my.
It's my favorite
Can you
part.
see it?
Oh yeah. Went down like that. Yeah.
The texture that comes out that you can feel after, just from that etching process.
Wow.
We gotta cook some meat. Okay, so we've switched to the woodworking section of this project. And this, like we said before, is desert ironwood. You can see he's got the science going on here. So what's next? Are you plunging with the drill?
Drill.
So,
Hold for the time. This is again one of the issues with.
that is thick wood.
Yeah, it's so dense. It plugs it up, and you gotta clean it off constantly.
Just wait and see. Just wait and see. Just wait and see.
So this is a cicada. I have never seen one before. Came in here hot into the shop. Okay, so you've seen the cicada. Now let's listen to some cicadas. So our knife
Think about that.
is almost finished. It's metamorphosis.
It's kind of
I'm
come out
making
of
a-
its. It's gonna come out of its cocoon and be ready.
It's a blue cocoon. There you go. We're gonna have to do this in the daylight. This is not gonna do this justice. That is an unbelievable piece of art, sir. Look at that. Here, you hold it. We're gonna do this proper tomorrow morning. Beautiful work. You are a true artist. Thank you.
Okay, so the third and final day making our knife. Charles finished it up last night and it looks incredible. We just can't wait to see it in the daylight. So we're gonna go check it out. He also finished up the leather scabbard. What's it called?
I guess so.
Or is that for a sword? I don't know.
No, it's just the cover. He made us
I feel
a
like I'm-
beautiful cover. So many like terms that we keep trying to figure out.
There's a lot
learning.
of terminology that we're not quite used to, but I just feel like Orlando Bloom is delivering our order
Oh my gosh, I know.
from Pirates of the
From
Caribbean.
Pirates.
I have your order. Perfectly balanced. The tang is nearly the full width of the blade.
Let's go see this thing in the daylight. Alright, I already showed you a little bit, but look at the difference in this hammer. It's just crazy. It's like brand new. And actually, I think it looks better than it was new. All right, Charles, we want to thank you again for allowing us to come into your home and into your shop and just show us what you can do. The fact that what we started with was a hunk of metal and a hunk of wood, but put into the right hands,
That's
what
right.
we were able to create. Or you were able to create.
Right.
Just
The master craftsman.
I was there. I was supervising.
Corey's an excellent supervisor.
Just unbelievable. This is what makes us want to keep traveling.
That's
for
right.
experiences like this. This is what keeps us going, and we absolutely love it.
There's something super special about the people that we've continued to meet on the road, just like Charles and Kay, that their generosity and kindness and hospitality just completely blows us away. It makes me emotional every time I discuss it, because there's no way to put into words like what a gift it is. Not just the fact that it's the knife, it's all the time and his energy and everything
And the
that
dinners.
he knows, and the dinners, and like it's just so precious to us. So once again, we are just so thankful for this community and for the people that are a part of it, and we're excited to be able to share this incredible craft that he has and this like master skill that he has.
Okay, let's show.
Let's
One more time.
just show one more time.
Here.
Got it in his pocket. Guys, look at this. I mean, it's just stunning. And he was correct. It is a scabbard.
Yes. All right, yank that thing out of there without cutting yourself.
No cutting.
So one of my favorite parts, besides the 152 layers, is the backside. Can you show me that backside? Just seeing down the spine of that. I don't know if you see it in this light, but
I'll move it a little bit.
oh, it's unbelievable.
It's just incredible.
Okay,
Just
again,
beautiful.
thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks guys for coming. Look at that. I have never seen that. Those bales of hay are wrapped in American flags.
That is really cool.
Well, not American flags, but the American
yeah, but
colors.
the American colors, yeah. That's awesome.
All right, that was really cool. Not just the bales of hay, making a knife from scratch. From scratch. Started as a hunk of metal, you know, in a hunk of wood, and then what it can come down to in the hands of the right craftsman.
That's right, an actual artist. And besides the fact that we were learning a new trade and really understanding the amount of work that goes into creating something like this, the historic piece of what he does as a blacksmith is so amazing.
Half of his shop is modern, half of his shop is 100 years old, and it's not in there just for nostalgia. It's in there and used through every process.
It's just incredible.
So we are heading towards Candace. We're not going to be in Candace tonight. We are going to a city park. I think you said it's on a
called
river?
Hermann City Park, and it's apparently this really cute old German town, and I guess you can walk into the town. We're going to be really just seeing a lot of the park because we're working this weekend, but we're able to sit on the river, and they have a city pool that's on the property. They have 51 full hookup sites for $35 a night. So it is hot in Missouri right now, and we're going to definitely go find some full hookups.
But we're really excited. So what's coming up is Kansas. So there's a couple things that we found, and we're excited to share it. And also, make sure you check out Big River Forge.
Yes.
Check out his knives. They're just incredible.
Unbelievable. Thank you so much, Charles and Kay. Good morning. You guys know that we are usually in the summertime chasing 70 degrees, chasing good weather, because you know how much we love going wherever we want and putting the RV any place that is calling. And usually that means that we're boondocking and we don't have hookups. Because of our time frame while we were getting work done at Elkhart and then going and meeting up with Charles to forge the knife, it kind of kept us in this really hot and humid Midwest area during the middle of summer. So it has been in the high 90s, hitting 100 the last few days. So as we were heading out of the St. Louis area, we were looking for parks and resorts that had full hookups for us so that we were not baking in the RV. So we actually found this really cute town called Hermann, Missouri, and it's a very beautiful historic place. The downtown is super cute with lots of restaurants. It's right on the Missouri River, lots of history, and just really cool infused pieces of the German culture. And we actually found this amazing city park. So it's just called Hermann RV Park and Campground, and they have a parking lot that has various sites as well as the campground area that is over by the river. A little bit of noise from the road over on that side, but with AC you're not going to hear anything. There's basketball courts, there is playgrounds, there's fire pits. I mean, literally everything that you could need, and the best part is it's $35 a night. The other part that we are super excited about is there's a city pool here as well. So the girls and I and Corey are going to go and hang out by the pool for the afternoon, and we're just super thankful that we found such a cool little gem right here in Missouri on our way through to head out west. There are always gems if you're able to look for them. We actually found this on Campendium, an app that we use all the time. We do not work with them, but it is just such a great way to find different locations that we wouldn't have found on our own. So we're gonna go head to the pool and enjoy this warm weather. And we're basically there. And we're here. That was a really long walk to the pool. Where's your hat?
I don't need a hat.
Yes, you always need that.
Can you go off the diving board?
Sure. This is adult time right now, so they just pulled all the kids out.
Have the kids gone off the board yet?
No, because it was like covered in like little kids. There's like a line that constantly revolves, just like it would have been with you when you were a kid.
All right, well, we need to go.
Yeah? Lovely. So nice. I actually thought it was going to be like bath water, but they must keep it cool because it's like so refreshing. Amazing.
I'm getting in.
Come on.
You want to play me?